Okay, chapter 17, acids and bases. Whoa. The differences between the various acid-base concepts are not concerned with which is right, but which is most convenient to use in a particular situation. So we'll be learning about two different definitions for an acid and base today. And like this says, one isn't more right than the other. They're just better to use in different situations. Guys ever had heartburn?
Right now.
It sucks.
Right now.
If you've never had heartburn, just be thankful. It feels like your heart is burning. It's not good. So that happens when the hydrochloric acid in your stomach backs up into your esophagus where it does not belong. And it irritates the tissue and causes a lot of pain. Sometimes it'll even come up in the back of your throat. Nasty. Swallowing a lot helps a little tiny bit because saliva has hydrogen carbonate ion, which can act as a base, and that can neutralize some of the acid. What's more effective is an antacid, and so they contain bases, and so they can neutralize a lot more of the acid.
I just eat baking soda. I'll take like a little spoonful of baking soda.
Do you burp a lot then?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, baking soda is, sodium hydrogen carbonate, but then it reacts with the acid to make carbon dioxide.
Oh, that's really interesting.
So that's why you're burping so much.
Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
that makes sense.
So GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease, is associated with chronic heartburn. And one of the ways they diagnose this is they can send a little tiny pH probe down your esophagus and see what the pH is. And they can tell that it's too acidic. So acids and bases are important to our health. They're found in lots of household products, in our foods, and in our medicines. And acid-base chemistry is very important in biochemistry and molecular biology. Examples of this, amino acids. Those are acids. Go figure. Those are the building blocks of proteins. So they're going to be affected by acid-base chemistry. Your DNA contains bases that are all strung together. So that was the intro.